Welcome to House Lux Estate, your one-stop channel for all things real estate and marketing related. We're here to provide you with insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of real estate and marketing. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just trending, but transforming the way we do business. Utilizing artificial intelligence in marketing analytics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a sci-fi fantasy. It's a reality that's reshaping industries, and marketing is no exception. When applied to marketing analytics, AI can help uncover patterns and insights that would be impossible for the human mind to process. It's all about making informed decisions, improving efficiency, and ultimately boosting your return on investment. So whether you're a marketing whiz looking to stay ahead of the curve, or a real estate professional seeking innovative ways to reach your audience, this video is for you. Stay tuned to learn how AI can revolutionize your marketing analytics. Before diving into the AI part, let's first understand what marketing analytics entails. Marketing analytics is an approach that focuses on measuring, managing, and analyzing market performance to enhance effectiveness and optimize return on investment, or ROI. It provides marketers with powerful resources to understand their target audiences, improve their marketing campaigns, and make data-driven decisions. But what exactly does it encompass? The answer is a lot. It includes a variety of techniques and practices that enable an organization to collect and interpret meaningful data from various sources related to its business. This might involve data from customer behavior, market trends, competitor activities, and other relevant industry information. So why is this important? Well, in today's data-driven world, understanding the market and customer behavior is paramount to success. Marketing analytics helps businesses understand how their marketing initiatives are performing and where they can make improvements. It can help identify trends and patterns, provide insights into customer behavior and preferences, and enable strategic decision-making. But of course, like any other field, marketing analytics is not without its challenges. One of the primary hurdles is the sheer volume of data available. Businesses are often overwhelmed by the amount of data they have to sift through to derive meaningful insights. There's also the issue of data quality. Not all data is created equal, and it's crucial to ensure the data you're basing your decisions on is accurate and relevant. Moreover, the rapid pace of change in the digital marketing landscape means that marketers need to be constantly adapting and evolving their strategies. This need for continual learning and adaptation poses a significant challenge. Lastly, there's the challenge of translating data into actionable insights. It's one thing to have all this data, but it's another thing entirely to understand what it means and how to use it effectively. Now that we understand marketing analytics, let's delve into the role of AI in this sector. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a key player in marketing analytics. But what exactly is AI? In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, self-correction, and more. Now you might be wondering, how does AI apply to marketing analytics? Well, imagine having a super intelligent assistant who can sift through mountains of data in seconds, identify patterns, make predictions, and even recommend actions. That's essentially what AI does in marketing analytics. It takes vast amounts of data, analyzes it in real time, and provides insights that help marketers make more informed decisions. So, what are the benefits of using AI in marketing analytics? One of the biggest advantages is the improved return on investment, or ROI. With AI, marketers can better understand their customers, their preferences, their buying habits, and more. This understanding allows marketers to create more targeted and effective marketing campaigns, leading to higher conversion rates and, ultimately, better ROI. AI also helps in predicting future trends. It uses historical data to predict what might happen in the future, allowing marketers to be proactive rather than reactive. Imagine being able to anticipate customer needs or market trends before they even happen. That's the power of AI. Moreover, AI makes marketing analytics more efficient. Instead of spending countless hours analyzing data, marketers can now focus on implementing strategies and creative initiatives. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, freeing up valuable time and resources. In addition, AI can help in personalizing the customer experience. By understanding individual customer behaviors and preferences, AI can help marketers deliver personalized content and offers, enhancing customer engagement and loyalty. With AI, marketing analytics is no longer a daunting task. It's a powerful tool that can drastically improve your marketing efforts and results. So, how do you utilize AI in marketing analytics? Let's find out in the next segment. Stay tuned, and remember, with AI, the future of marketing is not just possible, it's already here. It's time to learn how to incorporate AI into your marketing analytics for improved ROI. Let's dive into the process. The first step is to identify the specific areas where AI can boost your marketing analytics. This might be predicting customer behavior, personalizing customer experience, or optimizing your marketing campaigns. Once you've identified these areas, you're ready to choose the right AI tools for the job. There's an abundance of AI tools available in the market today. However, it's essential to choose tools that align with your specific needs. Some tools offer predictive analytics, others focus on customer segmentation, and some offer a comprehensive suite of AI-powered marketing solutions. So do your research, compare features and prices, and pick the tools that suit your needs the best. Now, we move on to the third step, integrating these AI tools into your existing marketing analytics system. This might involve a bit of technical work, but most AI tools today are designed to seamlessly integrate with popular marketing platforms. If the technical aspect seems daunting, don't worry. You can always hire a specialist or use the support provided by the AI tool vendor. Once you've integrated the AI tools, it's time for the fourth step, training the AI models. This involves feeding the AI system with historical data so it can learn and make accurate predictions. Don't be discouraged if the initial results aren't as good as expected. AI models improve over time as they learn from more and more data. Step 5 is all about testing and refining. Launch small-scale campaigns to test the effectiveness of the AI tools. Measure the results, compare them with your goals, and refine your strategies as needed. Remember, AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a tool that you need to tweak and adjust to get the best results. The sixth step is to scale up. Once you've tested and refined your AI strategies, it's time to roll them out on a larger scale. This is where you'll start to see significant improvements in your marketing analytics and ROI. Finally, step 7 is continuous monitoring and optimization. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You need to continuously monitor the performance of your AI tools, analyze the results, and make necessary adjustments to ensure optimal performance. Remember, the power of AI lies in its ability to learn and adapt. So, keep feeding it new data, keep testing and refining your strategies, and watch as your marketing analytics transform and your ROI improves. By following these steps, you can effectively use AI in your marketing analytics. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've taken a deep dive into the dynamic world of marketing analytics and how artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing it. We started by understanding what marketing analytics is all about. It's the practice of measuring, managing, and analyzing marketing performance data to make it more effective and optimize return on investment. We then introduced the concept of AI in marketing analytics. AI is a powerful tool that can automate and enhance many aspects of marketing analytics. It can sift through huge amounts of data, uncover hidden insights, and make accurate predictions. This can help businesses to better understand their customers, identify trends, and make more informed decisions. We also walked you through a step-by-step process of how to utilize AI in marketing analytics. The first step is to define your goals and understand what you want to achieve with AI. Then you need to gather your data and prepare it for analysis. The next step is to select the right AI tools and technologies that align with your goals. After implementing the AI tools, it's important to continuously monitor and adjust your strategies based on the insights generated. The benefits of using AI in marketing analytics are numerous. It can save time by automating routine tasks, improve accuracy by minimizing human error, and provide a competitive edge by delivering superior customer experiences. But remember, utilizing AI is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that involves constant learning and adaptation. It's also important to keep in mind that AI is not a substitute for human judgment. It's a tool that augments human intelligence and helps marketers to make better decisions. Remember, AI is not just a trend, it's a game changer in marketing analytics. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this. See you in the next one.